Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JK's Engineering. I am Shuel. Today we will learn how to drive a DC motor. So to complete this project, we need the following components: PIC16F887 microcontroller, L293D motor driver, and DC motor. You also need power supply. And we use software for MikroC Pro for programming and Proteus for simulation. Now let's begin to our main video. First, we simulate the circuit in Proteus software. Open Proteus 8. Launch the IS store. To find our components, click on P, which stands for PIC from library. Search for PIC16F887 and add it to the workspace. Next, search the L293D motor driver and add it. Finally, search for DC motor and insert it. Now, time to let's connect the components. Connect pin 2 and pin 7 of the motor driver to pin 33 and P34 of the PIC16F887. Connect motor driver output pin 3 and 6 to the DC motor. Connect the ground pin to the common ground. Now power up the motor driver, connect the DC source to pin 8 and 7 and all. So connect the P8 to EVAD. The schematic diagram is now complete. Now it's time to write the code in MikroC Pro software. So we first set up our project setting. Write the code for motor control. After finishing the code, run it. If there are no errors, the code successful message is shown. Now, let us load the code in the PIC microcontroller. Now, we go to our Proteus software again. Right click on PIC, then select Edit Properties, select Program Files and load the compiled program. Set the probe frequency to 20 MHz. Now it's time to run the simulation. If everything is okay, we will see the motor rotation. Now we see our motor is loaded, so our code is successful. If you have physical components, you can build the circuit and test in it real life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment.